As we raise our nation's flag today, let us be reminded of the importance of our uniform and the role it plays in our journey towards modernization.
May we call in our Troop and Information and Education Speaker. He is currently our Chief for Operations. Help me welcome Chief Inspector Carmeleto V. Junella. Sir.
Thank you, April, for that introduction. Thank you. Today, I want to discuss the importance of uniform and the relation to our modernization. As a fire officer, I have witnessed firsthand the transformation of our organization over the years. When I joined the fire service back in 2011, I noticed a lack of strict implementation when it came to wearing proper uniform. As time passed, I've seen the BFP slowly but surely embrace the concept of modernization. During the recent interfacing session with our DCO, Fire Chief Superintendent Riconil A. Quan Chu, last March 2024, he raised a thought-provoking question. How do we define modernization? He rightly pointed out that it's not just about high-tech equipment or advanced training. As he eloquently stated, we already have high-tech equipment dating back to the time of late President Ferdinand Marcos. We are the most modernized fire service in Southeast Asia that time, with our fire ladders, squirts, and Moreta fire trucks. However, he emphasized that this modern equipment will be useless if our mindset is not modernized. He reminded us that we must first modernize our inner selves and our mindset before we can truly benefit from the technological advances. It's all about how we approach our duties and responsibilities as firefighters. And this is where the importance of the uniform comes into play. The uniform is not just a piece of clothing. It represents our professionalism, our dedication, and our commitment to fire service. When we wear our uniform, we are not only projecting a positive image to the public, but we are also instilling a sense of pride and unity within our ranks. As I witnessed the gradual transformation of the BFP, I've seen how the implementation of the uniform has played a crucial role in shaping our organization's culture. It also helps us to foster a sense of belonging, a shared identity, and a commitment to excellence. Therefore, I encourage everyone to wear the prescribed patches when wearing the GOA Type B, Type C, and the BIU. Also wear the prescribed shoes for Type C and athletic uniform. By adhering the uniform guidelines, we are not only upholding the standards of our organization, but we are also demonstrating our pride and respect for the uniform we wear. In the wise words of our DCO, all those modern equipment will be wasted if we do not know how to take care of them. The same applies to our uniforms. The uniform is not just a symbol of our profession. It is a reflection of our dedication and our willingness to uphold the highest standards of the fire service. Let us continue to strive for excellence, to uphold our values, and to inspire those who see us in our uniforms. Thank you, and may the fire of our hearts continue to burn brightly as we serve our communities with pride and professionalism. May God bless us all.
Citations read, Medalya ng Papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Chief Inspector Carmelito B. Junella, Chief Operations Division, BFP Region 10, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as the Troop Information and Education Speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on April 29, 2024 at the BFP Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment served to inspire and motivate others, contributing to the successful achievement of the BFP's mandates and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this 29th day of April 2024 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10 Gumamela Extension, Carmen Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Alma Grana Bacahil, MMPA, MPSA, Fire Chief Superintendent, DSC, BFP Regional Director.